you something different. I thought we would do a card opening, a long overdue one. These cards were from when Impact came to Australia. These were the Oceania Pro Wrestling cards, brought out in conjunction with the Australian Wrestling cards. Plus, Impact had their own cards. But first, we're going to open these ones. And we will just open like that. Now, pull them out. As you can see, Ace Austin, Alex Shelley, Brian Myers, Chris Bay, Chris Sabin, Durana Perazzo, Eddie Edwards, Frankie Kazarian, Giselle Shaw, Joe Hendry, Killer Kelly, Moose, Steve Macklin, Conrad, and Scott D'Amore. The Australian, as you can see, Australian wrestling cards have also brought out a GCW pack in conjunction with GCW when GCW came to Australia. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 waves of Australian wrestling cards. Those videos will come in the future. I thought these were really cool to commemorate the OPW Impact weekend down in Wagga Wagga. Very well printed, very good quality. Now onto this. These are the ones that are actually from America. So I'm not sure if you can get them, but you have to order them from the Impact website. And of course, shipping to Australia is a killer. Okay, so Ace Austin, Bully Ray, Sammy Callahan, Chris Bay, Dirty Dango, Eddie Edwards, Frankie Kazarian, Heath, Joe Hendry, the Juggernaut, Jordan Grace, the Iron Man, Josh Alexander, Killer Kelly, Mickey James, Moose, Motor City Machine Guns, Brian Myers, Deanna Purrazzo, Trey Miguel, and my whole hologram, as you can see, is Josh Alexander. As you can see, Josh Alexander, Toronto, signature move, the C4 spike. That's pretty cool how they give you a little bit of information as well. So I think all of them have a little, so you can see a little bit of information about all of them and all their finishing moves and where they come from. Art of Finesse, Down and Dirty, Boston Knee Party, Flux Capacitor, Wake Up Call. You get it. These cards are very well made. They feel good. I quite like these cards. I'm very, very glad I bought them. I'm very happy that I got Josh as the hologram. He, to me, is Mr. Impact. Carries the company easily on his back. But yeah, thank you for checking this video out, and hopefully I'll have more to come.